Hi Leos, this is your next 10 days reading. I'm going to start your reading from the 1st. I will be taking the 1st of July to the 10th of July. I'm going to look at this 10-day period, which is also called a decan. I'll be looking at this period through the tarot cards. The tarot cards show energies. They have pictorial icons which show your energy situation. So I have already divinated, taken out cards for you. These cards fell out on their own, so I took them for you and I have clarified. So I have got a picture in front of me regarding what is going to come to you. But before I start your reading, I am going to read out a card from the Angels of Abundance deck. It has got an abundance message which can be of importance to you, so take note of it. It is saying, release resentments about money. Yes, the money system of the world can seem upsetting, but holding resentments about finances just pushes your abundance away. Instead, see money as a tool you can use to better the world. And this shift will help you attract support and golden opportunities. So think of money as a tool, not as something which should, garner resentment in you. So that is what angels are telling you. So let's see what is your first energy. Your first energy, which is coming through the tarot card, is the Hermit. So see this beautiful drawing. This is from the Light Seer deck. And this person is meditating, this person is in solitude, this person is meditating, and this person is seeing light. So the Hermit situation means that you have to delve deep, you have to dive deep, you have to understand your inner workings and vis-a-vis the world. But you don't shut the world. You are always thinking of the world, and you should think of the world, but your wisdom has to come from within. Don't give in to advice from people. Don't give in to what people are saying, what kind of din is around you, what noise is happening around you. You have to take time out. You have to make isolate yourself and seek wisdom from within. This is being asked to you because of a certain reason, because of something which is going to happen in your life in the next 10 days. What I am seeing is you will be going through a tower moment. A disruption can happen in your life. So the structures around you will start displacing themselves. There can be an external factor which will move you, which will shock you, which will surprise you. So disruption will happen in your life. Some disruption will happen. That's why angels are asking you to become the hermit. Become the hermit and look for the solutions from within, because the outside circumstance will shock you. It will give you a jerk. It will give you a rude shock. But when you look back, when you are 10 years, you pass 10 years after this tower, you look back, you will see that there was a harsh growth, there was a liberation which had happened. So this kind of tower situation will happen. This will happen because you are averse to transformation, because something is happening in your life, something is really happening in your life, Leos, which is trying to disrupt you, which is trying to disturb you, which is trying to change your circumstance. So this is coming in reverse. Transformation card could be the Judgment card in other decks. This means that you are not wanting to change something in your life. So you need to accept your situation. You need to forgive someone, you need to forget someone, you need to get those baggages away from you. Get out of a shallow grave, get out of your comfort zone, and think of transforming into something new, someone new. A situation has to change. The change is coming, because Otherwise you will keep feeling this lack situation, you will keep feeling this Five of Pentacles. This is, feeling sad, about being abandoned, ignored, being, in some kind of situation which is full of misery. So, that's why angels are asking you to, transform, but you are not trying to transform. So the disruption will take place, the tower will happen. A time will come when universe will connive and universe will bring in this surprise attack on you. So it can be an attack, it can be mild for someone, it can be huge for some other people. So angels are asking you to forewarning you about this, that if you want to get out of your Five of Pentacles situation, start being the hermit, start finding solutions from within, think of a path, because you have been forewarned. So you can come out of this misery situation. You can come out of this misery situation. How? You can have your own power. That is the Strength card. This is the Leo card. It is, asking you to search within, like the hermit. It is asking you to draw upon your power. You are the most powerful sign in the whole of zodiac signs. Of all the zodiac signs, you are the most powerful. You have the power and strength to control your fear, control your urges, control your inner demons, control your health situation, external situation, as well as mental situation. You have robustness of life in you, and you have the wherewithal in your character to get that control over situations. So angels are asking you to draw upon it, have strength, have patience, and have control over your fiery anger. That is what angels are saying. You are being asked by the angels to mellow down, to nurture someone, to create an atmosphere which is, of nurturing, caring, loving, also working, taking action. That is what angels are saying. Or a good spirit around you of the earth sign will be there, who is the Queen of Pentacles, who is showing you the path of enjoying what you have, feeling gratitude, feeling that nurturing, caring, compassionate energy around you. You might be, mellowing down. That is what angels are saying. Or this can also mean that you are so comfortable, you are so, you are maybe fearful of the circumstances which can cause disruption, that you don't want to step out of your comfort zone. So that's why the Six of Swords is also happening. You don't want to travel, you don't want to take that action, you are still carrying past baggages, you are still feeling the obstacles in your path, you are not taking the right of safe passage, because the Six of Swords is coming in reverse. So you are not ready to salvage yourself from a stormy weather, and you are feeling, you have this false feeling that you are practical, you are grounded, you are enjoying your fineries, enjoying your happiness. So you are so busy in nurturing, caring, or keeping house, keeping work in balance, that you are forgetting that a disruption can take place. Transformation is coming, and the Five of Pentacles can happen, and you are also being reversed. You are not going to take action of salvaging yourself out of a problematic situation. So angels are asking you to have strength, angels are asking you to think about it and get the solution from within, and do some action with wisdom from yourself. So what's happening by the end of 10 days is that Ace of Cups will come. This is new life force, new beginning, a new love situation, some love offer, some offer that will grow your love, grow your emotions. So a beautiful love situation can develop for you. Ace of Wands can happen, that is passion coming to you. a growth situation coming to you, new idea, new inspiration can come to you, and angels are asking you to take action because the Knight of Wands is here. This is your energy. So either you will start taking action from the, situation of stillness, situation of not taking action, situation of feeling, questioning yourself, situation of not accepting the transformation. So you will have to accept the transformation as new situations are coming in. They will beckon you, and then you will take action, and then you will take a direction, a new commitment, a new work, a new passion, a new love. You will go towards that. You will take that adventure which is beckoning you. So Leos, you will see the transformation with new opportunities that will come to you, new passion that will come to you, and you will decide to shift. You will decide to shift gears and take that action. Angels are saying that there can be the outcome energies, there can be rivalry, there can be competition, there can be challenges in your path, but angels are saying it is healthy. This will give you a chance to work through a different perspective, and it will make you grow. It will make you grow. You will grow. You will grow and you will go up if you have competitive people around you. So it could be a situation in your work life, it could be a situation in your love life that there are other suitors for your loved one, or there is a situation wherein in the workspace that there are people who are challenging you every day. So don't get into deception and envy. Don't let it trouble you. Don't let it trouble you, because the chance is going to come to you. The Ace of Wands and the Ace of Cups is coming to you. This is new beginning, new chance, new opportunity is coming to you. You will be taking action. So don't be scared, don't be envious, don't be in this mode of being deceived, or you have to think about it. You have to draw from within like the hermit and look for inner peace in this situation. You have to be out of this energy of deception and envy. So angels are asking you to go towards your 10 of Pentacles. This is going to come to you. This stability offer, this new opportunity will bring in new stability in your life. Action, when you take that action, you will feel happy. You will feel that you have got whatever you want. So, and you are working for your long term stability. So this kind of atmosphere will develop for you. Angels are advising you that you need to come out of your 5 of Cups. This is sadness situation, sadness, worry, being envious, or feeling rejected, your kind of miserable circumstance. But you will be able to come out of that situation. Angels are saying by the end of 10 days or in the near future, you will be able to come out of misery and miserable situation, and you will start mending your emotions. That is what angels are saying, because the Empress is here. Empress means a new situation will develop, new inspiration will come to you. You will become that nurturing, caring woman, nurturing, caring man who looks at nature, connects with nature, connects with beauty, connects with that motherly instinct of nurturing. So you will be going towards that kind of situation. This means long term stability, a growth. You will be able to see a growth in your career or in your love life. That is what I am seeing. So Leos, if you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe. If you don't get postings of my reading or information, you have to hit the notification bell and subscribe to my channel. And if you want look at your future, look at your energies in depth, you can contact me for a paid personal reading which I give to people online all over the world through video phone calls. So if you want that kind of reading, you can ask for booking a reading or request for a booking. I will tell you how to book my readings and how to go about it. So that's it. Leave in a comment, leave in a request in the comment box. You can also give feedback to me about this reading, and I'll be looking forward. So have a good time. Bye bye.